This electric lighter is the coolest thing. Not only is it rechargeable, but each charge lasts about 600 lights. So one charge lasts a long time. It lights things by an electric arc, and you can easily see how it easily lights a candle. Because of that, it is splash proof and windproof, which makes it perfect if you need to light things outdoors. I also love the fact that it has a bit of a safety on it. You have to slide it up before you can press the on button. So it can't accidentally go off, say, in your backpack or whatnot. This would be perfect for packing with you for camping or to carry in case of an emergency or have in an emergency kit. It's nice and slim, so it takes up very little space. The USB port for charging is at the opposite ends, and it comes with its own charger. The little lights above the on button let you know what the battery level is at. And I also think this would be perfect to have in a convenient place in case of power outages. This works great, it's nice and convenient, and I love all the different uses that you can use it for.